So in this kit, you'll get a 5x7 card base, 2 frames for the front of the card, one in black cardstock, one in black and white striped cardstock. You'll also get a card insert, as well as an acetate window with score tape already applied. You'll receive a vinyl decal along with 3 foam square dots, and you'll also get a white PVC card. So in step 1, we're going to prepare the card base. You'll notice that it's already scored right in the middle for you. So you're going to turn it over and make sure the bump is facing up, and then you're going to just fold over on that score line and use your white PVC card to firmly press and burnish. And after I do this a couple of times, because this is heavy cardstock, I'll usually turn it over and burnish on the other side as well. In step 2, we're going to prepare the frame that goes on the front of the card. And so all I'm going to do is bring in my adhesive of choice. Today I'm using my Scotch Advanced Tape Glider, or ATG gun, and I'm applying adhesive all around the edge of the frame. Once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and align these 2 pieces by using the corners for alignment. I'm going to match together this bottom right corner. Once I get that together, then everything else should fall into place, and I'm just going to press that top frame right onto that bottom frame. And this will give us a nice strong card front. So in step 3, we're going to apply our acetate window to the front of our frame. Score tape has already been applied. This is very strong adhesive. So all we have to do is remove the lining from the adhesive. You'll notice that my card frame is face down, so we're looking at the black side of the cardstock. And I'm just going to take this window, and you'll notice that there's a small strip of score tape on the back here. So I'm going to make sure that I'm placing this window right down on my card front, but I want to make sure that that small strip of score tape is right under the bottom of the frame. This is going to stop our picture from going down through the bottom of the card. So when I turn it over, you'll notice that you can't even see that small piece of score tape, and that's how you want it. Alright, so now it's time to adhere the frame to the card. We're just going to take our adhesive of choice, and we're going to put it directly on the edge of the frame, but we're not going to apply glue to the top of the frame. That's very important. You want to be able to put your picture in. So I'm using my ATG gun, and I'm applying adhesive right to the edge of the frame. If you don't want to use an ATG gun or another light tape runner, you can also use score tape for this step if you have some. Okay. And remember, I said I was right there on the edge, so sometimes that adhesive kind of peeks out of the edge, and I'll just fold it back on itself so that it doesn't stick out of the card and make it messy. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the lining from our little piece of score tape there. Again, this is going to stop our picture from going down through the bottom of the card. Alright, in step 5, we're going to apply the card insert. We're just about done. I'm just going to bring my ATG gun in, and I'm going to apply some adhesive to the back of the insert. Not going to be stingy, give it plenty of adhesive there. And then I'm just going to lay it right on down inside of our card. In our final step 6, we're going to add our vinyl sentiment. So I'm just going to take those foam squares that add dimension, and I'm going to pop those 3 right on the back of our sentiment here. Press firmly and then just remove the liners. That way it's sticky, and I'm going to position it on my card. Really, you can position it wherever you like, but it's designed to go in the bottom left-hand corner. All right, and so now it's time to add a picture. Let's test this out. That's me and my mom. We're definitely squad. And so, yeah, this came out great, I think. All right, so I hope this was quick and easy for you. As always, I would absolutely love to see your project, so tag me on Instagram at Shawnna or use the hashtag Creative Daze. Until next time, enjoy the creative days.